What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Danny B. Grimson here. If you are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. We are getting a little close. I just wanted to give you all a quick update. We did hit a little snag. You guys all remember the intercooler that I had recently installed, that black one. Well, apparently the power is not there because of that intercooler. There are a couple of other hiccups, but nothing too serious that we can't take care of. But that was the biggest issue, was the intercooler. I wasn't able to get the damn power up there with that intercooler that we installed earlier. So let me show you guys what exactly I picked up to help gain that power that we need. So yeah, check that big ass bitch out. So yeah, video doesn't really show you much, so let me compare that to my hands. I'm literally in the middle, and that's the intercooler now. So this intercooler right here is capable of holding 1,000+ horses. So I'm gonna try to figure something out, because this is a lot bigger and a lot thicky boy. So let me show you. So that's my hand. That's pretty thick. The other one was, well, about that size, so I might have to remove a few items, like the hood latch, and yeah, we might have to fabricate the grill in order for this to fit correctly, because I want everybody to see this thing when I'm driving down the road, that's for sure. But yeah, I had to wait on this. So the truck is still at the dyno shop. They've been doing their thing. They've been really busy as well. So, you know, I give them kudos to even helping me out with the truck for a good dyno testing. But yeah, stay tuned. The video will be up hopefully here shortly. And I get to show you guys how much power we can make on the dyno. All right. I do apologize that, you know, it's taken this long, but, you know, sometimes projects, can go one way and another. So, the way I did it was, you know, like I said, it's my first time doing a twin turbo on a V8. So, yep. Now we have the new intercooler, and I will leave the link down below if any of you guys. This is a universal intercooler, so it's 35 inches long, 4 inches wide, or thick. I mean, 4 inches thick, and it's got the 3-inch tubing over here. But yeah, this is supposedly able to keep up with up to 1,000 horses and plus. So bear with me, guys. Get excited. I know it's taken some time, but I'm making sure that we get a good running truck with this with these group of awesome guys that are helping me right now. So that we can get the truck up and running. I am going to be running this over in the morning so that we can get everything done, and then I can finish going ahead and getting the video situated and edit the ending. Basically, what I've been doing on top of that is, well, I also have a little surprise for you all when the truck does come back that I've been working on the side. If you've all been on my Instagram, I'll leave the link down below, or I'll try to put it right about here if you want, you know, where you can find me on Instagram. or on Facebook. But I've been working on a little project off the side for the silver truck for the time being. But yeah, bear with me, guys. Please get excited. Share this video. Share my other videos. Give it a thumbs up. If you love what you see with the new intercooler, definitely give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Oh, before I forget, if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe. The channel is actually growing very well. We're at, I think, 608 or 609. So thank you all that have subscribed to the channel. You guys are all amazing. I hope you all are being safe. And yeah, go crazy with your cars. Not too crazy, but stay safe and crazy. All right? Love, peace, and Mopar grease. And never look back.